Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex. Today I want to show you this water fountain that this brand sent to me for this video. This one right here is mini, but we have 4 cats at home. So sometimes having something like this that is this big, which by the way is 152 ounces. So this one is gonna be a big one. It's gonna give kind of like a constant flow of water. And by the way, it is fully rechargeable. Now it's charging, but if you want, you can just unplug the USB-C cord and just like switch it between rooms or take it with you to another room if you are fostering cats, for example, if you have multiple cats and you want to switch it from the bedroom to another place. So Minnie, she was trying it a few seconds ago, a few minutes ago, she was trying it. The good thing about this one is number one, it comes right here with a place for you to see how much water it has left and a light. But actually, let's take a closer look. But check it out. As I was just telling you before, you have this to see how much water it has left. This one right here is going to be your water pump that it has a triple filter system. Oh, that's Penny now that she's taking it to see what's going on. But you have so many filters here. Check it out. So all these filters is going to have a triple system, a carbon filter, and also the ASIN for filter replacement. You have that one as well. Short press, you turn it on and you change the mode. You have eco mode, you have intermittent mode, and you also have motion sensor. So that is the motion sensor. It's a motion sensor right now. And the good thing about this one is whenever they get close, it will turn on. By the way, it's kind of like fairly quiet, I have to say. It's not super loud at all, but the whole thing is stainless steel, meaning that it will be, number one, perfect to clean. Number two, really good because no plastics for your cats and things like that. Stainless steel is going to be always the best thing. And number three, it's also dishwasher safe if you want to kind of like strip it apart and put it in the dishwasher like once a month or something like that. So this is going to be the battery pack. Remember, rechargeable, 152 ounces, stainless steel. You have a water monitor right here, as well as a different mode with echo, intermittent, and also the motion sensor is here as well. I like it and they like it, so that's the most important thing, and we do recommend it. Where are you going, Penny?